Fresh violence broke out in Jiribam district today after Kuki militants launched attack at Borobekra police station using sophisticated weapons. According to our Jiribam correspondent, the attack is suspected to be carried out by armed Hmar groups as it came just a day after Hmar village volunteers issued stern warning to state forces and central forces to leave the area while also threatening for repercussions. The attack took place at around 5:30 a.m. this morning when armed miscreants believed to be from Hmar community started firing towards Borobekra police station, which is located at Zaukuradhor in Borobekra subdivision of Jiribam district. In retaliation to the attack, state force and central forces also fired back, resulting to gun battle which lasted till about 7 a.m. Even though there were no reports of any injury on the sides of state forces and central forces, there is high possibility of casualty among Hmar group. Additional security forces were being rushed to the spot to contain further escalation of violence. Remember, viewers, about 110 Meitei individuals are still taking shelter at relief camp set up at Borobekra police station after their houses in Borobekra subdivision were burnt down by Kuki militants.